As you can see here, the left headlight is on, which is this bulb, and as you can see here, the headlight is out. Easiest way to see if it's the actual headlight is to go ahead and just swap the bulbs from the left to the right. If you put the new bulb in here and it lights up, it's probably a bad bulb. If you put a working bulb in here and it's not that, then it could be your wiring or a fuse perhaps. Alright, so coming back here, this here is our new bulb, and it's not going to be this one here, but it's the one clear back up in here. So to remove that, grab hold of it, twist it counterclockwise about 30 degrees, maybe 45, and then wiggle that out of there. Come to the back here, push in on the clip, wiggle that out. And if you look closely at the bulb, as you can see, there's a piece of filament right here. I'm touching the glass because this bulb is defective. You never want to touch the bulb because it leaves oil from your fingers, creates a hot spot, and causes it to burn out prematurely. But this one, we either hit a bump or it was just end of life and finally popped. These are the bulbs that I like to run. They're the Silver Star H11. There's like 3 different models. These are the medium brightness. There's ones that are brighter, but I read online that they burn out pretty quickly. So I'm just gonna go ahead and stick with these. As you can see, I replaced the front right bulb about 3 months ago. So I bet the front left is about done for as well. Here's our new one versus our old one. Let's go ahead and put our new one in. And be careful not to touch the glass when installing it. Just hold it by the plastic housing. It'll only go one way, you can't mess it up. Once that's in, click it. That's locked into place. Go ahead and reinstall it by putting it in the socket and rotating it 45 degrees clockwise. And just to verify our work before reinstalling the bulb, let's go ahead and turn on the headlights. As you can see, it's now working, so we fixed the issue. Lock it into place. Now we can see that both bulbs are working again.